What's up, guys? It's Dana. Welcome back. Hope everybody is doing well. Um, I'm doing fine, seeing that the TA is being respected. So we saw some movement in Bitcoin, and now we are seeing some rejection, a bit of a rejection. Also at levels we already discussed about. We will get into it shortly. I want to start with saying welcome and thank you to all the new subscribers and the old ones. You're pretty new too. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell if you find value in the contents I bring, and let's get into it. So, things looking a bit lighter for Bitcoin compared to last week and all the other past weeks. So, we never broke below this level, as I already spoke about yesterday. You can just go back to that stream and, check if the levels we've been speaking about when it comes to support and resistance almost touched or came around that area or even came to that area exactly, okay? So what do we have with Bitcoin today? RSI is at last above neutral now. We got some nice positive momentum on the MACD going on. That is after a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, like it's developed and now we are playing it like it's on. We do have this resistance here, like volume is looking decent. We've seen better days, but it's decent. But thing is, we are around past, resistance levels. So I did say yesterday in yesterday's stream, just a short repetition. If we do not get above, like close above, this one closed at 20,337. I said yesterday above $20,400, $20,500, then we could very much, see a little pullback or something, or like unless we break out of this on a daily, even 4 hourly, I'm not waiting for this to happen immediately. Like it needs to break out. Like there's nothing that's just gonna go straight up. So like I said, when it comes to shorter time frames, you're always gonna, meet some type of resistance here and there. But looking at this right now, let's get back to the 4 hourly chart. I mean, there is like some bad divergence like going on, okay? It's developing. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD. RSI is still in, bullish territories. But I'm afraid we could see like a pullback at these areas. Even looking at the hourly, as you guys can see, so we've already broken below 20,231, which should be like first support in an hourly chart, okay? But if we break below anywhere below $19,800, even on an hourly chart, like we could go a bit lower. Let's see now. 4-hourly chart. So if we break around, let me just mark it. If we break below somewhere around these levels, I can see us coming back to 19.5, you know, as second resistance, second support level on the 4-hourly chart. And if we lose that, we might go all the way back to around 19K because there's not much that's gonna be holding us, you know, below this level, around these levels, okay? So it was important that we broke out of it. Now it's important that we actually hold if we break somewhere below these areas, okay? So that's Bitcoin, fast and short. We are at resistance levels. I already spoke about this yesterday. You can just head to one of the, or not one of the, you can just head back to the last video before this one, the last live stream, and you guys will, you know, understand a bit deeper what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's have a look at Ethereum. Okay, like, looks like T is being respected. Like, so far, T is being respected. Like, if anybody was jumping in around these areas, I hope you have a stop loss. Okay. So, Ethereum, what's going on here? Okay, we have some short-term support. Let me just get into the support and the other levels before I do anything else. So, okay. So, daily Ethereum chart. Okay. Like, I forgot to say this too. Like, I like how the daily, like, Eastern indicators are looking right now when it comes to the Bitcoin chart. I mean, it was a while we saw something like this, you know, this strong. It was in the beginning of September last time. So nice to see this kind of candles, but I expect some little pullback just because we hit resistance and then, you know, these things right here telling us something else too. Plus the fact that we, just a minute, not really overbought here, not here either. I wouldn't be surprised like if we pull back around these areas, but we will see. But the daily is looking like better than it's been looking for weeks. Okay, back to Ethereum. So the hidden bullish divergence is still in play, like it's on. Our size still below neutral. Volume is like It looks a bit pathetic, to be honest. It's so, yeah, I guess it's there, but we've had better days. So, not looking, that strong, even though Eastern indicators are telling us otherwise. Let me go back to Bitcoin just to check. It looks much more decent on Ethereum's chart. This is what we do. We like chop the charts and the analysis just, to understand everything that's going on. I repeat, this is not a channel where you're gonna hear, hype, a lot of hype. You're just gonna get the analysis and that's it. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, we already spoke about the daily, nothing special going on. We are below. Well, we are above the 21 like moving average. So you can't see it on this chart, but I got another chart I'm looking at. But these are another types of settings that I have installed. But I always, talk, looking at these settings that I'm showing you too. So it is below short-term and mid-term when it comes to this daily chart. Let's look at the 4-hourly. There's no, well, wait. There is kind of hidden bearish divergence, okay, on one of the oscillators. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD, losing as in it's getting weaker right now at the moment. Same goes for Ethereum, like we are around first resistance levels, just like we spoke about on yesterday's stream. So it's being respected. We're meeting some resistance at these levels. If we break anywhere below 1336 around these levels, 1336, 1332 on a 4-hourly candle, I could see us going all the way to 1300, 1290 around these levels again, because there's not much holding us. Not much, okay? Hopefully we just don't go straight up, just to go straight down again. So we'll see if there's some demand at these levels, but I'm expecting some pullback right now. Ooh. Okay. Like I'm leaning a lot towards, some sort of pullback right now. A lot of things indicating it. And we'll see if this support holds on these levels, okay? Let's see if there's anything else looking hopeful when it comes to the chart. Nothing here, nothing there. Like if anybody that was watching the stream yesterday was panicking today, then you didn't, like, you weren't being attentive. You are not paying attention. I don't mind the, the views and the hours you spend, to watch. I don't mind it, but I actually mind it when you're not being attentive, because when the TA gets respected, it saves you a lot of headache. And if you are saving like yourself a lot of headache, it means you're not losing money to have headaches. And that's the whole point with, risk management. Okay, so that was Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm just gonna Just a moment. Or wait, let's take 5. I just gotta answer someone, um, and then we're gonna go through Bat and Cardano and Ripple and some more. So I'll be back in 5. I'll keep the Bitcoin chart only on for you guys as usual. 10-minute chart on. Oh, and before I forget, I've been forgetting these days, but since it's in the description, and I always say I'm not a financial advisor, always do your own research. Remember, always do your own research, okay? Okay, be back in 5. Enjoy. Screen on, yeah, okay. And I'm back. Okay, Bitcoin continuing to go down. Nothing surprising. Okay, let's get to Ripple. Whoa. Oh, that's a 10-minute chart. Okay. Look, we are holding like support levels, whether it be the second one last time or the first one right now, okay? Let me just start with that. We are holding support levels. Like I said, like after we met resistance here, yeah, I expect pullbacks and so, but looking at the weekly, it doesn't look like Ripple is done yet. Like we are at resistance, but it doesn't look like it's done yet. So let's just give it some time, you know? Okay, back to the daily chart. Oh, just to remind you, we still do have like very clear bearish divergence, okay? I don't want anybody to forget that. We do have bearish divergence developing. Um, so it doesn't mean we're out of the danger zone completely. I'm just talking, about some, bear market rally, okay? Anyways, the daily, still gonna stick to what I said on yesterday's live stream when we spoke about it a bit more. I'm gonna keep it short this time. I still see some type of like bull flag going on. Here's the pull, and just you guys know what I mean, okay? And if you don't, let me know in the comment section, and maybe next time we'll get into it, a bit closer, okay? I mean, deeper. So still, Ripple needs to break out of these zones for us to see, any more action to the upside. We don't have any divergence going on. Like MACD is negative. On the daily though, we are above, the 21 moving average and even midterm. So, and this is not the 21. I'm looking at the other screen, but nevertheless, we are above this moving average as well, the short term. Let's look at the 4-hourly. Yeah, we are back around these resistance levels. I did speak about, us probably coming back and retesting these areas. Let's see now. Yeah, we might come back and test 0.044 again by the looks of it. If Bitcoin continues to go down, it's gonna take some others with it too. I mean, if Bitcoin or when Bitcoin is having its pullback. So that's not weird. So shortly, okay, we have resistance around, as you can see, around 0.48 levels, okay? 0.49, 0.48. And even if we like go a bit higher, we still have major resistance around 0.51, 0.52 levels, okay? So if we break below this level on the 4-hourly chart, we are gonna come back to like these levels again because there is nothing. If we break this one, there is nothing that's gonna hold us until these levels, okay? So 0.4 is possible if we lose 0.44 levels on a 4-hourly chart. Like if we close below 0.44 to make it like easier for you guys. So that's Ripple, not much going on. We got BAT that has had some nice price action today. And remember guys, when I was talking about these right here are levels, you know, to get in. If anything, like I'd get in at these levels, not somewhere here, you know what I mean? Now we are around like, okay, let's just get the TA out of the way first. There is no divergence going on. Positive momentum on the MACD. We are still below all moving averages on the daily chart, okay? But I told the moment we break out of this, you know, resistance line, and then we like have a push out of it a little bit, and then we come back and retest it, then I'm gonna have some more confidence, you know, that this is gonna be looking good, at least short to midterm, you know. But since this is a daily, it should be a bit stronger, but we'll see how this plays out. Okay, 4-hourly chart. Embrace yourselves for a pullback, guys, girls. Yeah, okay. So if we are to go to higher levels, we gotta break above 0.31 levels, okay? 0.313 levels on a 4-hourly chart. Like we have to close above it, we have to close a candle above it. And daily a bit higher, like we have to close somewhere around 0.33 at least, you know. But back to the 4-hourly chart. So we are at resistance levels right now. That's why we're seeing a bit of a pullback. We are losing, like, not losing, but positive momentum on the MACD is a bit weaker right now. Volume is completely like, it's not there. Volume is not there. And on the 4-hourly chart, it's just like declining, as you guys can see. I don't like this. So this might be a short-lived action, and then that's it. Like we need to see some volume. We gotta see some volume. Okay, so we know about the resistance level, support level. So if we get below, anywhere below 0.3, you know, levels around these areas, 0.3 levels, there is nothing holding us again until 0.29 levels. Around these levels, okay? Not to the dot, but around. So we'll see what happens, but I don't like this, you know, pattern right here. It's not so bullish looking. Like, looks like bulls are a bit tired. Anything here? I've spoken a lot about, triple candlestick patterns, double candlestick patterns, and all that, especially in my past streams. But if people are interested in learning this stuff, I'll put more time into it. So that's BAT. We know the support level, first support at least, and we know the resistance we have to break to see higher levels, okay? And we'll get into that, step by step. So far, TA is respected, so there is no need to panic, just relax, chillax, and okay, that's basic attention token. Because if we can break above 0.33 level, like on the daily, I'll be looking for 0.36, 0.38 levels, but well, if you want to know more, you can get like you can go over to the last live stream before this one, and I've explained it, much more deeper there. But so far it's been a nice buy around these areas. Okay, finished with back too. So is Cardano gonna give us some type of action, or is this it? Because like there is hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. But daily, let's see if this nice divergence plays out. Because we got it on both oscillators. Or do we? Yeah, kinda. Like daily is looking good. I like the, you know, Eastern indicators, looking strong and stuff. And this nice divergence, it's like losing the negative momentum day by day, the past days. Okay, so let's see if we can get some more push, because daily chart is not looking bad right now. Let's head over to the 4 hourly. Okay, this is not what I like. Like this is not looking good. No, no. I was just looking at this, and now I just saw this and this. Like we have a lot of negative signals right now, okay, when it comes to the 4 hourly chart. A lot. Or like most of it is negative. So we have hidden bearish divergence, even though RSI is above neutral. Like I can see us go even to 0.44 levels, okay, but right around these areas, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get rejected because like this, like unless we get above, let's see now, 0.44 levels, 0.443 levels on the 4-hourly chart, close above it, there is clear hidden bearish divergence developing, okay? Like, if we go below, anywhere below 0.43 levels on these areas, next support I'll be looking at is around these levels, 0.4 to 5, somewhere around these levels, and this is the hourly chart, okay? But I wouldn't be shocked if we see 0.42 levels, 0.4 to 3 levels, you know, if things like just don't hold for Cardano, because it's not like, it's really not one of the strongest players out there when it comes to the other price actions we've seen. But daily, nevertheless, descending wedge, hidden bullish divergence, negative momentum weakening right now. Let's give it some time, okay? But right now, short term, we're definitely in resistance areas. We can come all the way, like I said, we can come all the way to 0.4426 levels, but if we do not close above it, it really doesn't mean anything. So if we close above it on the 4-hourly and see, you know, a bit follow through, it's gonna give you some more confidence in, you know, in knowing that, okay, we could push a bit higher, okay? At least that's, you know, how I think. Okay, so Cardano done. We've spoken about resistance and support levels. Let's look at Dodge. That was having fun today. Guys, remember, no matter if we like see this, if we can't break above 0.069 levels on the daily, we are not gonna see these prices. Simple. You remember what happened last time? It was like a big nice candle, okay? Bullish candle, and then suddenly, I think before the end of the day, this happened. Okay, this time though, let's look at the TA factors. Our site is around bullish territories. There is no bearish divergence. Nice, okay. We had bullish divergence that developed and we are playing it out right now. Good signs on the daily. More good signs than bad ones. I mean, the negative ones. Well, they're not bad if you're a bear who's a short and if it's going down. But right now, it's It looks like it's still showing strength, but just a minute. This is the daily, okay? Let's look at the 4-hourly candle. Nice volume, okay? Backing up this candle, okay? Look at this. So we have clear hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hourly chart. Guys, be ready for a pullback. Eastern indicators, if this candle closes anything like this, not looking strong, okay? Indecision right now. Bulls pulling, bears pulling, okay? RSI is yeah, RSI is overbought, in overbought territories, okay? Let's have a look at, it is above all moving averages, like above the short term, midterm. On the daily, it's being rejected by the midterm at the moment though. If you bought, you know, looking at the 1-hourly chart, you know, telling you something like this, I bet you like, you know, taking risks, because why not wait for a pullback when you see this kind of sign, you know? But there was good volume, yes, there was good volume and so on, but there was also signs of it being overbought, so okay, hourly chart, we do have indecision after indecision, like there is no strength in this run. Looks like a pullback is due here too. Okay, on the 4-hourly chart, this is what I see. If we get anywhere below this line, 0.063, 0.0628, around these levels, if we get below it, we're easily gonna come back, you know, a bit lower to these areas and test these areas again, okay? Around 0.06 to 0.058 and so on. If we lose this level, okay? Otherwise, we still have to break up break out of 0.069, 0.07 levels to see these areas. That hasn't changed, okay? So that's Dogecoin. Just want to have a look at Bitcoin and see what's going on here. Yeah, guys, like I'm loving the TA like being respected, like no panicking, you know, just, you know, taking it easy, letting it play out. And if you find value in those streams, like if you like the way I'm bringing it, you know, for you, the way I'm breaking it down for you, you know, we speak about support, we speak about resistance levels, and that's very important things we have to know, you know, so we can avoid entering in the wrong areas or exiting, too fast or too soon. And most importantly, not losing money. Like any profit is better than no profit at all. And not losing money is better than losing money any day of the week. So we always have to remember that, always, be cautious, and take the right steps and invest in what? Education. I'm just watching the chart, trying to see what's going on the 10-minute chart even. Let me know, guys, like, how's it been for you with the trades and stuff? Like, are you winning? Are you in a big loss? Are you like just chilling in these markets? Oh, and I heard Elon Musk is thinking of buying Twitter again. Like, the bid is on again. Well, some are saying it's because he's like trying to avoid the trial and stuff. But the $44 billion Twitter bid is on the table again. I'm sure like the crypto Twitter people are like happy and excited about that. Maybe at least, he can get rid of the bots. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I know there are people that block like hundreds of bots daily on, from their reply section, comment section. Me as a small streamer, it's like up to 5 or 10 people like daily, and I think it's a pain already. Because I want to keep like the comment section clean, even though, I'm still new. Like, I like to keep it clean. No bots, just real people, real ideas, and real, you know, discussion going on. But today it's been a good day, in general for the crypto market and even the Asian stocks. All this after the US equities rallied a bit. So yeah, not bad today. I wonder if it's gonna like, well, not wonder if the Monday starts like this. If Monday starts like this, we are probably like, probability is higher that we are gonna have a nice week with pullbacks here and there, little pullbacks, which is nothing weird. Okay, friends, just gonna bring some water or something to drink and be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. Let's have a look at. Just gonna choose something, yeah. Hmm. BNB. Okay. So we broke out of this resistance line. We never got below, this support level. Good. Let's see now. Right now there is like hidden bearish divergence developing. So it's time to be cautious. Okay, RSI is in bullish territories. But this hidden bearish divergence, like, if we can like close somewhere above $300, we are cool. But just to let you know, we are at resistance, around resistance levels the closer we get to this area, okay, to this box. So it's nothing new if we like are being rejected, because I did say if we break out of this, like, and this support, is respected. I don't remember when, maybe a week ago, something like that. See, eventually around $300, which is like we came all the way to $296, but we can come to 310, like nothing surprising, okay? Um, so maybe like we'll go up today too, because I do like the prior engulfing candle. Thing is, where is the volume? Like there's barely any volume, you see? Let's look at the 4-hourly chart. Oh, we're definitely in for a pullback. Okay, indecision. And we'll see how this closes, but it's not looking that strong anymore. I mean, it's not looking that good right now at these, with these patterns right here. Let's see. Our site is in overbought territories. There is no, or is there? Well, at the moment, looking short term, there is no bearish divergence, but there is kind of bearish divergence when you compare to these levels. So I'd be cautious. Like I said, even if we go to zero, like 305, 310 levels, I'd be cautious because we are around resistance levels, according to my TA at least. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Okay, where can we have or see some support? Okay, on the 4 hourly chart, I'd expect us to see some support around these levels. Okay, I could make this a bit higher here. Around 286 to $284, somewhere around these levels. That would be first support for me. And if we lose that one, like we can come back all the way to 277, 278 areas, you know, wouldn't be shocking if we lose first support, okay? So this is what I'll be looking at. So that's Binance, short and easily explained. Because look left, guys. We got rejected here, you know, last time. Many times. I mean, many times. We were rejected at these levels many times. So we literally have to break this level here before we could say anything, you know, about these levels that are waiting. So first this, we got resistance here, and then next resistance will be around the $340 around these areas. So until we can break out of this one, yeah, no need to discuss these areas yet, but we're already ahead of the game by talking about it, you know. So be careful, guys. The good thing is we are above this zone, or above 260 levels. Let's look at the weekly. I haven't seen the weekly in a while. Okay, there is no bearish divergence whatsoever yet on Binance USDT. I mean, when you look at some of the altcoins, they do have it, like Ripple, for example. I think Cardano too, but not on BNB. I mean, weekly is looking good. The weekly candles looking pretty good. I mean, the patterns, the Eastern indicators are looking like nice. Okay, that's BNB. Okay, shall we have a look at Maker, which respected support levels, and now it's respecting resistance levels, seems like. Yeah, we have clear hidden bearish divergence on Maker 2 on one of the oscillators, okay? MACD is positive. Let's see what else. We are below the short-term moving average, but yeah, like we can come all the way to around 900 levels and test it on the weekly. But major resistance will be, around these levels, okay? But weekly candles looking like pretty nice. We got a bit of a volume like happening. Like if you zoom out, it's really nothing. Yeah, I was just zoomed in too close. So daily, let's look at the daily. Oh, yeah. So we had these, Eastern indicators telling us, be cautious, be cautious. But then the moment we broke out of this level, we were good, okay? I drew this on the 4-hourly chart. You guys can look. It did look like a parallel channel. I said I was, but I never drew that line. I was mistaken. So when I went offline, I mean, when I wasn't streaming anymore, I looked at it a bit more, and then I saw this, ascending wedge. Sorry, ascending wedge. I mean, ascending triangle. So I was like, okay, interesting. And then we broke out of it, and all this happened. Right now, if you come back and test these levels of 809, 805, I wouldn't be surprised. But if you lose that, we're definitely gonna come back and test these levels again. Like, there's no escaping that. This is on the 4-hourly chart, okay? What else? What else? We do have positive momentum on the MACD when it comes to the daily. Our size in bullish territories. But we do have bearish divergence, developing. It's not looking that good looking at the RSI. The bearish divergence. So we are being rejected at, as you guys can see, old support, new resistance point, okay? We need to break above like 905, $900 on a daily, close above it on a daily, even 4-hourly for us, to see these levels, okay? And I did say the moment we break out of, no, I did talk about the resistance around $860 already in my last live stream and the one before it, I think. I don't know exactly which one, but if you go back, you'll see what I mean. I already spoke about those, resistance levels. So this is nothing strange. Us having a pullback here is not strange. Let's just see if support holds. Okay, that's maker. Short and simple. If you wanna, know more, just have a look at the other live streams so you can, follow up, so you can see 1 + 1 makes 2. So that's maker, okay? So we've gone through Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Basic Attention Token, Maker, Is there anything else I should have a look at today? Okay, stacks is actually it's broken out of the descending wedge. Hmm. Let's see if this, well, bullish divergence that developed is gonna play out because we do have a descending wedge too. Okay, this is the weekly. Weekly is not looking like it's looking like it's trying to decide, but it's definitely looking like bears are like a bit tired. So we'll see what comes out of that. Okay, our side below neutral on the daily. We do have positive momentum on the MACD after a hidden bullish divergence developed. Nice prior daily candle, like looking good. Still below like short-term moving average. Okay. Like we gotta get above 0.32 sorry 0.34 levels on the daily, you know. I take that back. Around 0.35, 0.36 levels on a daily. And if that happens, eventually see around these levels, which I'll get into next time, but not looking bad. Let's see now. Our size in bullish territories on the 4-hourly chart. Well, right now, there is like hidden bearish divergence on one of the oscillators. Okay, so be cautious. Like, there's one thing I noticed now. Okay, a lot of altcoins, including Bitcoin, like are meeting some resistance because they are at resistance levels. You see those indecision candles, like yeah, we saw them here too, but every time these candles show up, it's not telling you that it's strong, okay? So we might see a pullback like anytime soon. And come back and test 0.32 levels. You know, it's been acting as support around these levels, so 0.319, 0.32 levels wouldn't be surprising. And if that doesn't hold, then yeah, we can come back all the way to these levels again, okay? So we'll see if 0.3 like 19 to 0.322 holds, okay? These areas, all right? That would be the first support levels I'm looking at, but I would definitely not be going in at these, levels. I'd rather wait for a little pullback, you know? Yes, prior daily candle looking good, but I'm also looking at the short term, you know? So yeah, guys, that's. If you like the contents and you like those, an hour and a half long videos with pure TA, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell too, so you can be notified before I go live next time or if there's any other update. And thank you for all the love, the likes, the subscribes. I keep on saying it because I appreciate it a lot, okay? Thank you. Um, keep on sharing with your loved ones and people you care about. And be cautious, be safe. Don't forget stop losses. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.